Welcome to a new video of Phoenix Models Reviews, and today we are going to unbox the re-release, actually I think it is, of Phoenix Models, the Starlines Singapore Airlines 9V STU. I'll show you the box quickly. I guess this is somewhere in Singapore. Here on the side, barcodes, model, and at the back we have Singapore too. Yeah, I really have no idea if this is actually Singapore, but well, where else could it be? So it's funny, this box is actually kind of a bit smaller than the A350 boxes, which makes sense of course, but I'm still surprised. So let's see if the A330 this time has no damage. This would be a first actually, which is actually also kind of sad that the other models have wing damage, let's say it like that. And let's check the model out. To be honest, I got this because it's like a white Starlines livery, not because it's very, or at least the first model which was released was actually got pretty rare. This probably not so much, but ooh, this one looks great this time. I'm surprised that with the details already with this one. So let's check it out. This is the model. I think it looks pretty good. It's an A330-300. It looks a bit small, but I guess everything is correct. So yeah, let's check the model out. It's a lot of white of course, but we'll check it out more in the zoom part. So first of all we have the nose, which again is a bit pointy again. Maybe I'm wrong. You have to let me know in the comments, guys. So then we have the gear. Above the gear is the registration, which you can't really see too well because it's out of focus and a bit in the shade. It's just the last two letters, TU, as far as I can read. Then we have Singapore Airlines, then we have the antennas, which are great as well. Starlines in a kind of different font actually. I believe it's the old font. I think the newer font is actually larger, or am I wrong? Or thicker, the font is, or more bold, let's say it like that, it's more bold. Engine number 1. The winglets are just plain gray, so really not special, so I won't show them too much. The flag of Singapore, which is always a nice detail to have. I really like flags in general on the airplane, just a small hint. And the white tail with the Starlines member logo. Yeah, it's pretty white, not a lot of colors. But in general, it's cool. I think the model looks pretty nice. It's an A330 in general. I like the A330s a lot. So let's check out the bottom quickly. Here it goes the same way as well. We have a lot of white. We have more antennas here. As you can see here, maybe we have 3 antennas here. The focus is so hard to get, guys, on those small parts, to be honest. Just to let you know, here you can see 1 and here you can see the other 3. This is really detailed, I have to say. A lot of antennas, and it feels pretty solid actually. So this one is definitely a quality check pass also from me, because the A350s were not. So yeah, I think again, as you can see here, the registration 9V STU. Yeah, I think the model looks great, not too special, and I also don't think this will get rare as well. Maybe I'm wrong of course, but the first release of this model is probably much rarer now. So yeah, I like this model, definitely a cool collection. Or definitely a great addition to my collection, let's say it like that. I think some people might like this model. Some just may think, okay, it's too boring for me, which is understandable. As you can see here as well, I can't really say much about the plane furthermore, because I don't know too much about this plane. I just know that it's out of service now at Singapore, and that this is an old livery, let's say it like that, so it's not an actual model. So yeah, not much to say here, sadly. It looks cool, probably too much white for some people. Personally, I like it, and yeah, I hope you liked this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, this would be amazing, and we'll see you soon again. Your Phoenix Models Reviews.